Hey everybody, Mr. B here and welcome back to the Loft. I have a whole chicken that I need to do something with and I'm kind of craving it, it's the comfort, food kind of thing going on. So I know I'm going to roast it. I know I'm probably going to roast it in an iron skillet. I don't know if I'm going to spatchcock it or not, haven't decided on all of that yet. And I'm still kind of toying with like flavor profile. Do I want to do the classic rosemary, thyme, sage, butter, garlic, lemon? Or do I want to do something kind of, springtime, although I don't know what that is. Maybe something with some, that's a little more citrus forward or something. Probably going to lean towards the comfort, right? Anyway, it's crack fast in the morning. I've got workers coming to do some final touches on everything that's going on here. So without further ado, let's get started on roasted chicken. Okay, so before I even start messing with this darn bird, I'm gonna have some things at the ready, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and have a sheet pan ready, paper towels on hand. I wanna go ahead and mix up a spice rub for this thing. So what I'm going to use today, salt and pepper, obviously. I've got some of this, I've got some chicken seasoning here. Think, Mrs. Dash, if you will. And then I've also got some of this butter garlic seasoning from Carol's Sausage Country Store down in South Georgia. Really cool place. And I'm doing this in a separate thing because of the cross-contamination. Once my chicken fingers go down in this, there's no coming back from this. I'll hit with a pinch of salt, a good chunk of pepper. Okay, so I've got about 3 3/4 pound chicken. Now, you do not need to wash your damn chicken, guys. It makes it worse. You put this in your sink, you're gonna have a wonderful salmonella spray all over the place. Don't do it. But what we are going to do, and listen to me. Just listen to me for just a minute. Don't wash it. You don't have to. You're going to cook the damn thing at 450 degrees. Use some sides. It's going to kill everything. All right? So just don't do it. Now, this is Barbara. So we are going to pat Barbara dry all over. Anyway. Patting, even get in here and give this damn thing a whirl down in here. All right, good and dry. Lots of ooh. Now, let's season it. Start breast side up. Guys, it's a 4-pound chicken, so it's gonna need to take quite a lot. Season that up real good. Yes, it makes a difference. So we have completely seasoned our chicken. Okay, we're gonna set her up real nice there. All right, so we've got Barbara in the fridge. Like I said, good to go overnight or however long you've got. What that does in that dry brine is that salt starts to intensifying the juices that are within the chicken. It's going to make for a crispy skin and a very, very juicy roasted chicken. So we'll check back and whenever it is I've got time to get back to it. See you then. Okay, you want to pull the chicken out a couple of hours before you plan on cooking it because you want it to come up to room temperature. It's going to help crisp the skin. It's going to help with cooking in general because, frankly, if you put something this cold into a hot oven, it's going to seize and it's going to be tough. It's not going to be juicy. Who the hell wants that, right? So we're a couple hours out. Barbara is, she's going to, kind of warm up a little bit. All right, so let's deal with Barbara here. First thing we are going to do with her is a bunch of herbs. I've got thyme, rosemary, I've got some sage going on here, a little bit of tarragon, and up into, you know, I've got garlic, get that on up in there. Now I want to put some of my lemon. Because how do you go wrong with lemon and chicken? Some onion up in that, get that up in there real good. Maybe a couple more pieces of lemon as well. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna attempt, this is not my forte, but I'm just gonna do a slight truss of this damn bird. So, you know, I'm not gonna do the French style and all the way around and all that crap. You don't have to do that. But what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna kinda, bear with me on this. Every time I do this, it's different. Get a couple of loop-de-loops on one leggy, loop-de-loop on another leggy, like that. Let's take it down up under the Pope's nose. And we are going to attempt to pull, and of course little Popey nose not wanting to cooperate with me. Let's see what I can do. Back around again. You know, you're just trying to close it up a little bit. And there you go. Let's get another knot going. Lord. Trim here off. And then we're gonna just tuck our wingy dings up under. They always make this look so damn easy on the TVs, and it is always a bitch. There we go. Butter, I've softened it. Go ahead and pull your butter out when you know, pull your chicken out, and we're just gonna mush this together all over her. Ta-ra, and now, and this is scorching hot, obviously. So, I need for Barbara to sit on top of something because I want air to circulate around her. It helps to crisp the skin. So I've got some sweet potatoes I'm gonna throw down in here, make a little bed. I mean, let's face it, these sweet potatoes are going to absorb all of that chicken goodness and be incredible. And now we are going to take Barbara carefully, get her on her little bed, try to secure, make sure that she's covered into the pot. You know, we don't want like a leg or something hanging off, right? Because, you know, it's gonna destroy your oven. Okay, so the timer went off. It was at 475, ran it about 20 minutes. So what I did is I opened it and I turned it because you're wanting to, you know, maintain kind of an even colorization going on. Brought the temperature down to about 400 degrees and set the timer for 30 minutes. So that's gonna give me, what, 50 minutes? Then I'll check the temperature, but you know, she's looking really good. shall we give it a taste here? It is beautiful. So, got my iced tea. Let's give this a shot. Start with the breast meat. It's perfect. It's really good and tender, very juicy. Skin is crispy. I can taste the herbs. I can taste the lemon, and the garlic is really forward, which is amazing. I've got to try one of these sweet potatoes. I've been craving a damn sweet potato. Now, look at this tater, y'all. It's got all that caramelization on it. Absolutely, you don't even have to chew it. Don't even have to chew it. All right, kids, I'm going to dig into this. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, and we'll see you next time here at the Lofts. Take care, y'all.